Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials: your old password, access to the email or phone on file, and the device you normally use. Once ready, open Instagram and attempt to sign in with the old password. This tests whether it still works. If the app rejects it, tap Forgot Password and choose Email or SMS Recovery. Make sure to disable VPNs only if Instagram blocks location. This avoids extra verification delays and keeps the process smooth. Once you request a login link or code, check your email or SMS and open the message promptly. Codes often expire in minutes. After Instagram confirms your identity via the link or code, you'll be allowed to enter a password. Here, type your old password into the password field to restore access if Instagram accepts it. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the authenticator or backup code now. Make sure to keep the device consistent to reduce extra security checks. After entering the old password successfully, immediately update your account settings and save the password in a secure manager. This prevents future lockouts. Once done, enable backup methods like a verified phone and recovery codes. If the old password fails, run the reset flow and pick a new strong password. If you still can't access the account, use Instagram's account recovery form and be ready to provide previous passwords or ID photos. This speeds up support verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.